Before digging into the specifications, we have to talk about a new feature that Samsung has introduced for the first time in India. Called Samsung Mall, this new app is being pitched as an all-in-one shopping platform to help users find products across multiple e-commerce websites. Users can take a photo of a product, or choose one from their gallery, and the app will use image recognition to try to identify it. In our brief initial tests at Samsung's launch event, this feature did not work for the objects we tried matching, and we found it difficult to frame shots, but we will reserve further judgment until we've had a chance to test it during our review process. However, it did recognize some popular smartphones including a Google Pixel 2 and an iPhone 7 Plus, and like all machine learning algorithms, it could get better over time. Moving on to the design of the Galaxy On7 Prime, this phone looks a lot like the previously launched Galaxy J7 Prime. It has the same metal unibody, which feels sturdy. It weighs 167 grams, which is decent enough considering the all-metal design, and is distributed evenly. The handset measures 151.7 mm tall, 75 mm wide, and 8 mm thick. On the front, it features a 5.5-inch Full HD, 1080 by 1920 pixels, PLS-TFT LCD screen with a regular 16:9 aspect ratio display. It has a 2.5D curved edge glass that gives the phone a premium feel. The display, much like most other Samsung smartphones, offers good viewing angles, strong brightness, and good color reproduction. Below the display is a physical home button, with a capacitive key on either side, one for multitasking and the other for navigating back. The home button houses the fingerprint sensor, and having it on the front is a rarity for Android smartphones these days. In our initial experience, the fingerprint sensor was fast, responsive, and mostly accurate. Above the display is the 13-megapixel front shooter with f/1.9 aperture. The front camera took natural images and did not unnecessarily use photo editing to beautify faces. Samsung has incorporated a new stickers feature that offers functionality similar to the stickers found in apps such as Instagram and Snapchat.